What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Braid with Stace. This video today is going to be about keys to the perfect crochet twist in style. So let's get into the braid pattern. As you can see, the front is braided straight back, and then we go into the back, it is braided straight up. This provides a very ease of putting their hair up, which most people want to do. On the sides, the braids are connected, and this is going to just show you a quick overview of what the braid pattern looks like. Braid pattern with crochet twist is so important because you want to be able to pull that style up, do different things with it. So your braid pattern really makes it look more like real crochet twist, well, individual Senegalese twist, but also it ensures that that braid pattern maintains. As you can see in the front, some of the straight braids are crossed over. This makes sure that your braids look good when you part it. So now we're going to get into installing the crochets. When you are installing the crochets, always put your needle in from the top. This ensures that the braids stay, well, the twists stay in, and also makes them last longer. So if you're losing twists when you install crochets, this is why. You got to install it from the top to ensure it stays in. With these twists have been used probably about 3 or 4 times. After you get done installing, well, after you take them out, make sure you wash them and then store them in a bag, and you can reuse them as many times as you feel they look good. So definitely reuse them. This kind of a thing where you buy them once and then you can reuse them. So as you can see, I am installing the twist at the top of her hair now. Just as you're installing, kind of space them out. If you feel that you have too many spaces, you can always go back and fill them in, but try to space them out maybe like a pinky apart initially, just so that you don't have it bulky and heavy. That's the key with these. If you put too many in your head, they can be really bulky and super heavy. So a lot of my clients really like the way I install them because they're installed where they look full but not heavy, and you can't put them up in ponytails and do styles with them. Isn't she so cute? This is my niece. She is 11 years old, so this style is perfect for her. She can do all different types of styles with it. Wear it down, up, half down. It's the great style for a teenager, or, you know, even I do my hair like this. It's an awesome style. So we're getting toward the end of being done with this style, and I'm just filling in the top. And like I said, once I'm done, I kind of go back around just to make sure that I haven't left any spots open and that it looks really full and, you know, the perfect do. If you've seen my install videos before, like I said, when you're installing the crochets, you want to go from the top and the bottom, and then when you are installing them on the top, you want to go from under and then pull it through, as you can see like I'm doing, because you want that braid to fall the way that you want it to fall and not be bulky. Sometimes if you put it over on the top, then it can kind of be bulky and fall, and you see the loop on top. So go under on the top and kind of pull it the way that you want that hair to fall. Just going through right now, seeing if I have any open spaces, filling any spaces that need to be filled, and just making sure that, you know, however it's parted, it looks very full. Looks like we have them all installed. So now I'm just going to go around her edges and lay those edges. Yes, get them nice and slick down. She loves her edges being slicked down and, you know, kind of designed and cute. So we're just going to use this. I am using some, it is the Ebon Edge Control, the 24-hour edge tamer. I really like this, the purple container. And also I am going to use my little edge brush. My little edge brush definitely helps to lay those edges. I got this from the hair store. It has a brush on one side and a comb on the other. How cute does she look? Now we're going to just take a quick look. See how good that looks? Love these on her. As I said, the braids don't look bulky. You can kind of part it any way that you want. They're full but not heavy. Kind of carry it over, as you can see on the side. It looks good for a pull-up. We go around to the back. Perfect for a high ponytail, or, you know, just like pulled up and put into a bun at the top of your head. The pull-up looks really good. Not that thick bar going across the back of your head. So it's great for pull-up styles. She's so silly. She loves when she gets her hair done like this because it provides just a protective style, but also the ability for her to kind of do her little different cute styles that she likes to do. It looks cute on her too. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.